Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with yogurt. First, select a high-quality, full-fat Greek yogurt. This is crucial for achieving a thick, creamy consistency. Make sure your yogurt is thoroughly chilled, ideally straight from the refrigerator. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a whisk or electric mixer, and your preferred sweetener, such as powdered sugar or maple syrup. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The next step is to drain excess liquid from the yogurt. Line a fine mesh sieve with 2 layers of cheesecloth, then place it over a bowl. Spoon the cold Greek yogurt into the cheesecloth-lined sieve. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or even overnight to allow the whey to drain. This step significantly thickens the yogurt, making it more suitable for whipping. Once your yogurt is properly drained, transfer the thickened yogurt to a very cold mixing bowl. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or adjust to your taste preference. You can also use a small amount of vanilla extract for added flavor. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, whip the yogurt mixture on medium-high speed until it becomes light, fluffy, and soft peaks begin to form. Be careful not to overmix. Your delicious yogurt whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over fresh fruit, desserts, or anything that needs a light, creamy topping. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The texture might soften slightly over time, but it will still be tasty. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.